Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of December. And first of all, national news. Court asked poll body to hold key election to Pune Lok Sabha seat immediately. Parliament security breach amid Khalistani terrorist attack. Warning. Uh, Ill-informed India rejected comments by Islamic nations group on Article 370 verdict. Vishnu Deo Sai took oath as Chhattisgarh Chief Minister. Four involved in twin security breach at Parliament identified. Massive protest in Kerala over mismanagement at Sabrimala Temple. Bill to amend Central Goods and Services Tax Act introduced in Lok Sabha. Parliament cleared bill to repeal 76 outdated obsolete laws. And international news, Tesla to recall 2 million US vehicles over autopilot safeguards. Russia called for UN conference to solve Israel Gaza conflict forever. Rishi Sunak's popularity hit all time low since he became UK PM. Xi said China, Vietnam must oppose attempt to mess up Asia Pacific. China Circus faced legal action for allowing children to ride tigers for pigs. Pakistan court indicted ex-PM Imran Khan and ex-Foreign Minister Qureshi in cipher case. Ex-PM, ex-Pak PM Imran Khan indicted second time in secret documents case. Tesla to recall 2 million US vehicles over autopilot safeguards. Now some sports news. New Sri Lanka selection committee under Yupul Tharanga took charge. Mighty Germany stood in India's way in Junior Hockey World Cup semis. Adil Rashid, first England bowler to complete 100 T20 international wickets. Bangladesh versus Sri Lanka under 19 Asia Cup 2023. Ashikur Rahman Shibli's Ton guided Bangladesh to 6-wicket win versus Sri Lanka. Business related news. Axis Bank Bain Capital sold 1.1 stake for over rupees 3,736 crore. Abhyuday Cooperative Bank's ousted MD took RBI to court. SN Gupta took charges as SAIL Chief Vigilance Officer. FPIS stay net buyers for the fourth straight day. India's capability and innovation hub market to nearly double to USD 117 billion by 2027, our report said. Sensex Nifty ended higher ahead of Fed decision. FPIs remain net buyers. FM introduced bill to give immediate effect to customs excise duty proposals in budget. Now, science related news. New asthma treatment offered hope with reduced steroid dependence. And NASA's Juno spacecraft captured two of Jupiter's large rotating storms. ISRO to develop ECLSS for Gaganyaan mission Somnath. And Gaganyaan mission after failing to get it from other countries as Somnath. And that's all in news. Thank you.